You go to 616.
Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anh reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, on the day of resurrection, Allah will not look at him who trails his lower garment out of pride. Reported in Bukhari and Muslim.
So Allah Azza wa Jal will not look at the person who will lower his garment or he would drag his garment out of arrogance. And the hadith which is as well, he said in another hadith that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, ما أسفل الكعبين ففي النار, and whatever is below the ankles is in hell. So we got two punishment here. One, who makes deliberately his garment below his ankle, but he does not mean pride or arrogance. That is in hell, because ما أسفل الكعبين ففي النار. And there is the one who makes it below the ankles, but with the intention of being arrogant. That's another punishment, which is worse. It's not the hellfire. Allah will not look at him. لا ينظر الله إليه. لا ينظر, that means you are not going to have mercy. Because you might go to hell and then Allah will have mercy upon you and then He will take you out. So it's worse. So this person who drags his cloak out of arrogance, that is even worse. وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. You see, why do you want to make it long? If it was long and made, try to cut it. Today somebody gave me as a gift, Jazal Khair, a thob, and he said, I will shorten it for you because it's really long. So we went there and made sure that it is above the ankles. Why? Some people, they will tailor it below the ankles. And you know the Prophet ﷺ, he said, whatever is below the ankles is in hell. Is in the fire. Here is in the fire, not the garment. The garment has done nothing wrong. It's the person who put that garment. But it shows you that the arrogance is something that punishable in the hereafter by the hellfire, وَالْعِيَاذُ بِاللَّهِ. And it will deserve as well another punishment in this dunya, as we're going to see what is the punishment of Qarun, as we have seen it, that Allah made the earth to swallow him. 617.